Meanwhile, amid the mass rally by Kuki Zoo community, which was supposed to be a peaceful democratic rally, some mobs belonging to Kuki Zoo community burned down the residence of BJP spokesperson Michael Lamjathang located at Peniel village in Churachandpur. Speaking to SKTV News, Michael Lamjathang alleged that around 12 p.m. today, mobs stormed his compound and started burning his house and car as soon as the mass rally started in Churachandpur district. This was not the first time that his house came under attack. In May last year, miscreants had also torched his house. He further maintained that the arson incidents will further disrupt the peace process.
Hora kan da pung baro dwa juda ka attack lak padagi yum kari kara ka amta lo thok pangamdre adu broad daylight sida sigumba mok mayam na adu maina attack to bira kan sida militant attack to bira pase am strongest time da condemn to we metai ga yana dradi metai ga peace pamdre hai radi I understand to we du budi yaninge adu bu hoi nan metai sida koi masen phawada peace maintain to ba akai ba kari lebra yana dradi hanadagi dum haye wari sanase Nigi grievances or Nigi opinion do divided already wari sanase